Hello fans! A lecture has started. This issue still introduces the common cases of Land Rover Range Rover. Land Rover found that the 4 Range Rover Executive Range Rover Sport 3.0 diesel version was plagued by blue smoke and black smoke from the exhaust. Problem solved. This is exhaust from the engine. This is caused by a problem with the gas supply pipe of the turbocharger. This is the pipe for the improved turbocharger. It is directly connected to the position of the cylinder block. He doesn't vent through another place, so no blue smoke and no white smoke due to this thing. You need to pay attention to replacing this thing. He's very close to this battery line, easy to burn, so pay attention to adjusting the angle when installing. This is a special one from the original factory. This is a set to solve blue smoke. This is his gasket, original gasket. The gasket on it is pressed together. This is the original improved pipe. The old one is long. As soon as we saw your car, it should be long. It's a long angle from here to here. That angle is directly connected to another place, so it gives off blue smoke or black smoke. It's all this problem. After this improvement, it attaches this tube to the position of the cylinder block. It's just blocked in another place. Just block it. This is the connection to another place, so it can solve the engine. This fault with blue smoke and black smoke. No need to change the supercharger. A bunch of stuff. It's a waste of money to change anything else. It can be solved by directly changing this pipe. Blue smoke and black smoke from engine exhaust. This is a common problem with 3.0 diesel. 3.0 diesel is an improved type regardless of the old and new models. This kind of pipe, buy a pipe and add a gasket to solve the problem. Also, there is an installation tutorial. Friends who like it can click on the avatar to follow it, then private message. We will send you an installation tutorial and installation instructions. Follow me, take you to learn more about auto parts.